Hello guys, welcome back to campustech. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox iPhone 15 Pro, which is gray titanium. Actually, they call black titanium, but it's look like the same color of the last year space gray. So let's open the box and see what is inside. After removing the lid, the first thing you'll find is cell phone itself, which is the gray titanium, and they call the black titanium actually. Let's put the phone aside for a moment and let's see what is inside the box. So in the box, you'll find the standard documentation with the Apple logo, and this is an interesting thing in the charging cable in the box, which is braided one this time and has little thicker. Is familiar or close to the MacBook charging cable. The both end is Type C to C technically, which is a faster charging cable. This is slightly new unboxing experience with the 15 Pro. Feels good and comfortable in hand compared to the last 14 Pro or Pro Maxes. I can feel some extra layer of the some material. I think that's because they brushed titanium. But the one thing I noticed, you can see the fingerprint on the side, which is not cool. The edges of the body and the glass are feel more curved than the last year phone. So let's talk about a little bit action button. This year, iPhone has a crazy UI and you can use action button of these application by single tap, which is showing in the screen right now. And you can change and you can use a different application as per your convenience and the need. Let's jump into the camera. The main camera has 24mm, telephoto camera has 120mm, ultra wide camera is 13mm. One thing they did mention in the keynotes, there is a new coating over the camera lenses. Does that coating put the big impact of the improvement of the flare reflection and the night video? Let's talk about the screen. Has OLED Retina screen which has 6.1-inch display. We get the power button on the right side, and the left side will find the action button and then a couple of volume buttons, and you'll find along with the same tray. At the bottom, you'll see the new charging port, which is Type C with the fast charging and the faster data transfer, which they call GigaBlock. Let's set up the phone and see what step we have to follow. The couple of steps are same, but the third one, the appearance they give us on during setup. And you can change default, medium, and large. The quick start, Wi-Fi connection, all other steps are the same. The other new thing you'll find during setup is the display, which is the dark, lighter, and they add the new tab, which is auto. And this is for silent mode. They're also giving you an initial step. After that, this is the new feature, which is the action button. And you can customize right now or you can do later in the settings. So that's the first screen of the iPhone. And this slightly the new experience, the screen display is kind of more charismatic. Let's go into the setting and see which iOS come with the phone. So let's go into the general, about, and if it's iOS 17. Thank you very much for joining me again. If you like that video, thumbs up, comment below and share with your friends. And see you in the next video.